Most Amazon KDP publishers are getting this wrong about AI generated content, and it can actually get your account in trouble. So in this video, I will break it down in the simplest way possible. In this video, I am going to explain Amazon KDP's policy about AI generated content in plain English so that you exactly know what to do and what to avoid. So this is Amazon KDP's official page about KDP content guidelines. I will leave the link in the description below. Under KDP content guidelines, you will also find this section. I am going to explain this in plain English. The big rule is, if you are using AI to create your books, you must tell Amazon KDP. This is the main rule. You should tell Amazon KDP if you have generated AI or not. This applies when you publish a new book or even when you update an existing book. I am talking about everything: your text, your cover, your interior images, even translations. If you have updated anything, like you have updated any text, you have updated interior pages, or even you have added any translations, you should tell Amazon KDP if you have used any AI or not. And the main thing to remember is, if AI created it, you need to disclose it. That's simple. What is AI generated content? Now here is where most publishers get confused. If AI actually created the content, it's called AI generated. If you have used any tool that created most part of the content, then it should be AI generated. Even if you edit it a lot, rewrite parts of it, improve it heavily, so the main source image, text, or any translation is created by AI, even if you edit it a lot, rewrite it, improve it, it will be AI generated content. Don't think editing it saves you. It doesn't. Simple rule: if AI did the main work, you must disclose it. Next comes AI assisted content. This is when you create content and AI helps a bit. If you have created your content yourself and used AI tools to edit it, polish it, and make it better, it would be considered as AI assisted content. For example, you wrote everything, AI fixed the grammar. You made a design, AI improved it. You used AI for ideas but created the final content yourself. So if you have created a book cover yourself and used an AI tool to improve it, it would be AI assisted. If you wrote your content yourself and used an AI tool to error check or fixed grammar, then it would be AI assisted content as well. In all these cases, you don't need to disclose anything, so this is totally safe. Here is the warning: no matter what you use, could be AI generated content, could be AI assisted content, you are responsible for everything you publish on Amazon KDP. That means no copyright issues, no stolen content, everything must follow KDP rules. Maybe you used an AI tool to write a book and the content is copied or rephrased from anywhere. AI does not protect you. You are still accountable. What that means? It means there should be no copyright issues, no stolen content, everything must follow KDP content guidelines and rules. Let me quickly summarize this. If AI creates the content, you need to disclose that. You create content, AI helps it, no need to disclose. And you are responsible for every piece of content you are going to publish on Amazon. If you are publishing on Amazon KDP, make sure you get this right, because small mistakes can cost you big in the long run. And if you found this video helpful, do give this a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.